Get your paper and scissors ready as you're about to learn how to do this unique mandala project paper collage technique. For this project, you will only need paper, scissors, glue, and a few pages of your old magazines. First thing you need to do is to sketch your pattern on a separate paper, which needs to be of the same size with your working area. If you want to get the pattern that I use in this video, just comment down below and I will send you the details. The pattern will give you the information as to how many cutouts you need in your project. For this one, you just need the following. Then choose which side and design of the magazine you will use for each of the cutout. Once you have decided on which side to use, you can now start cutting the shapes or the pattern. The next step is to paste the magazine cutouts in your paper or canvas. Just like with mandala drawings, you can add more details into your work to make it more exciting. And that's it! Here is our paper collage mandala. For more exciting mandala projects, just subscribe to my channel. If you also have mandala challenges in mind that you want me to do in this channel, just comment them down below. Thank you.